All right, friends, today we are going to be making some art that shows movement. So we're going to start with a blank piece of paper and a marker pen, and we are going to make some lines. I'm going to first practice drawing with my finger, and I'm going to show some movement with my finger. All we're going to be doing is drawing some lines that go up and down, just like a roller coaster. After you've practiced your line a few times, you can go ahead and pick up your pen and draw a nice wavy line. Once I have one at the top, I'm just going to put another one underneath. And my lines are a little bit different. And I'm just going to keep doing wavy lines. And you can see all of that movement I'm creating on my paper. So now I've got my lines all done. Now we're going to move on to the really fun part, and this is adding our name. So what I'm going to do is start up here at the right, and I'm going to write all the letters of my name. So I'm going to start writing Mrs. Silva. If you notice, I'm writing in all capital letters. When you do yours, I want you to write in all capital letters as well. And if you notice up here, my letters are really small. As I have bigger spaces, my letters get bigger. I want to make sure my letters go all the way from the top of my line to the bottom of my line. Now if you look here at the corner, you can see I ran out of room. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to keep my name going on this next line. And again, my letters are going all the way from the bottom to the top. So I start at the bottom and I stretch my letters all the way out to the top. Or start at the top and go down to the bottom. I want to make sure I have nice big letters. Okay, friends, you can see that I am all done writing my letters, and you can see all of that nice movement across my artwork. I can even use my finger to follow my letters and see all that nice movement I have created today. When we use markers, we want to make sure we're using lawnmower coloring. Here's what lawnmower coloring is. It's when you take your marker and you move it back and forth on your paper like you're mowing a lawn. I want to make sure I mow all of my lawn. And I want to do my best to stay in the lines. When I'm coloring, you notice I'm leaving some spaces. What I'm going to do is fill in some of my spaces with this pink. And then I'm going to come back with a different color. I'm not scribbling like this. I'm taking my time and going slowly. And again, I'm going to go back and forth. Back and forth. And I'm doing my best to stay in the lines that I've made. And I'm not scribbling like this. It is not good craftsmanship. We are going to take our time and do our best work. Okay, so you can see I have my letters all colored in, and it's a little bit hard to see what my name is, but you can still see all of this movement across my artwork. We have one last thing that we can do to make our work look really special. Since it's hard to see my name, what I can do is take a regular old black marker, and now that I'm done, I can go and trace back over all of my letters, and this is going to help make my work look finished. Okay friends, there you have it. My finished name roller coaster that shows movement.